Hey loves, welcome back to Rimmel's channel. It's your girl Katrina, also known as Princess K. So today I'm going to be showing you guys how to highlight and contour. If you want to see this finished look right here, then go ahead and keep on watching. So to start off this look, we are going to be using the Stay Matte Makeup Primer. So this primer is going to control shine, it is going to minimize your pores, and I like to use a primer in my T-zone area because that's where I get the oiliest throughout the day. So starting out your makeup with a primer is always going to create like a flawless base for you to continue your makeup look. So moving on, now we are going to be using the Stay Matte Foundation. I'm going to be using the shade Deep Mocha. So I like this foundation as well too because this is also going to control my shine and is a lightweight foundation, so it's not going to feel like you have anything on at all. So moving on, I'm going to be using the Stay Matte Concealer in the shade Almond. So whenever I highlight my face, I like to stick to the high points of my face, which would be my cheekbones, I do my chin area, the bridge of my nose, and my forehead. This is just gonna give you the best light effect and just brighten up those spots. It's just gonna highlight the natural definition of your face. So before I blend this out, I just wanna show you guys where I put my concealer at, because these spots on my face are gonna be where I'm gonna brighten and conceal. This is just gonna give me a brighter effect, make me look more awake, make me look more alive, like I haven't been sleeping all day long. So this is just gonna be the best way to achieve that kind of highlighted and contoured look. So moving on to contour, I'm gonna be using the Stay Matte Concealer in Espresso. So when you're contouring your face, this is the part where you kind of accentuate the shadows in your face. This is gonna make your cheekbones stand out. It's gonna make your jawline a little bit sharper. And some people also contour their nose and their forehead. The forehead is gonna kind of just give you a shadow and shape your face a little bit more. It's not necessary, but some people like to do it, like me. So I'm going to be contouring my cheekbones, my forehead, and my jawline and my nose. So now it is time to set everything in place. So to set my concealer, I'm going to be using the Stay Matte Pressed Powder in the color Pecan. And now to set my contour, I'm going to be using the Lasting Finish Breathable Finishing Powder. So what's cool about this is that it's multi-purpose. So you can use it to contour, you can use it to highlight, or you can swirl it all around and kind of get a blush highlight type of thing going on. So I think that it's really, really cool. But for my contour, I'm gonna be focusing on the middle shade, which is the darkest shade in the little palette. And we are going to contour and just add a little bit more shadow and definition to our face. So when I'm contouring, right now you can see kind of the shadows coming back into my face. I'm looking a little bit more shapely, my cheekbones are standing out. One of my favorite parts though is contouring my nose. When I contour my nose, I bring it higher up into my brow bone because this is gonna help shape my brows as well and kind of give my face more structure. So the cool thing about this is that it also has a highlighter shade too. So I'm gonna be using one of those shades to just highlight the high points of my face and bring my cheekbones out a little bit more and just to give me a little bit more of a glow to my face. So just a little tip when you are using a highlighter, if you spray your brush, it'll intensify that highlighter. So I'm gonna be using the Stay Matte Fix and Go Setting Spray to make my highlighter just a little bit more intense. So just a little tip before I finish highlighting my face, I like to take a smaller brush just to accentuate the highlight on my nose, my cupid's bow, and sometimes you can take it on the inner corners of your eye just to make your eye look stand out a little bit more. So to finish off the look, one of my favorite things to add after I contour is my blush. So I'm gonna be using the Maxi blush in the shade Rendezvous. So my favorite thing about this blush is that it's buildable. So you can just do a little light blush or you can just go full in and kind of create your own contour because that's kind of what I like to do. I like to use a darker shade like this one for instance, and it'll kind of add a little bit of a shadow to my face as well, but still give me that cute blushy look that I'm going for. Now that we are complete with the whole highlight and contour, it is time to set our look. We are going to be using the Stay Matte Fix and Go Setting Spray. This is going to lock in our makeup, and I also like that it is oil free, so it's not going to give you any kind of residue on your face. It's just going to make you look completely flawless. All right, my loves, so this is the final highlight and contour look. I really hope you guys enjoyed it. Please let me know what you think about the look down below in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe to Rimmel's channel, and you can check out my channel at Princess K. Thank you so much for tuning in.